so it's good. Let's talk about witnessing.
Yes, good question.
Because you say it's important that we do witness things that have happened.
Yeah.
But it's almost like when we can witness something, we remove the emotion.
Right.
Instead of going back and reliving it where we bring the ego again. Does that make sense?
Right.
Because you say like we witness, but we witness it from afar because we're not in it anymore. It's past.
Yes.
So we can't be in the pain because it's gone.
Right.
It was last week, or it was last year, or it was 10 years ago.
Yeah.
So when we witness something, we don't relive it. We witness it from here.
Yes.
And we just see it.
Yeah.
So we don't connect the emotion. Can you talk more about the witnessing?
Yes. Let me give you example, right? Then we can understand the witnessing. Like the thoughts are coming, the thoughts are going, right? Whether it is positive thought, negative thought, we are an observer. I'm just watching the thoughts. It is coming, going, without judgment, without labeling, and then it creates a thoughtlessness awareness, and the meaning of thoughtlessness awareness, like we don't have to judge any kind of the thought, whether it is positive thought or negative thought, and then we go into the deep meditative state. This is one part of witnessing. Let me give you another part of witnessing. Just become standing on the side of the road and just witness the car, buses, You can see the car and buses are coming, the traffics are coming and going, the noises are there, honks and horns are there, but you are standing on the side of the road and you are just witnessing. And the another part of witnessing, as soon as you bring your awareness to the breath, it doesn't matter whether there is a car coming and going, traffic's coming and going, the noise with the honk and horn, it is already there, but you are not part of it, right? You are just witnessing at the side of the road and you are bringing your awareness to the breath. So when you are bringing your awareness to the breath, what will happen? It doesn't matter how much honk, how much noises created by the traffics. Another part of the witnessing, let me tell you. We can witness the stress, we can witness the life, we can witness the fear, right? The fear, just for example, fear is a collection of useless and unwanted thought. The more we live into the thought of the past or the future, when we disconnect from this present moment awareness. So we are witnessing the fear, Witnessing means deep observation, without labeling, no judgment, in the form of, as I says, we can witness the stress. Just for example, many times in my life, that stress would have happened before, and if I am witnessing my stress, how I have to witness? Yes, I can witness that many times in my life had a stress, life had happened into my life, and when I connected with the thought of the stress, it brings tremendous amount of pain, suffering, negativity, darkness, and I got distracted and deviated from present moment awareness. So what has happened? I wasted my time, energy, I gone for the depression, I gone for the anxiety. So I am going to witness the stress. So I can prevent those kind of the movement whatsoever has happened into the past. So how I have to witness the stress? So just for example, if after some days, if today I have a stress happen into my life, I will just witness, before it has happened into my life, long time ago, and what happened? I spent so much time, energy, money. So there is no point to connect with the stress right now. I should consider stress as opportunities. So I am changing from negative thought pattern to the positive thought pattern. And I am not a part of a stress right now. If something stress happen right now or tomorrow, I will let go of it, I will disconnect from the thought of the stress. So I am not going to be part of it. I am an observer.
Of course. So it's like when you use the analogy of the traffic on the road. Yeah. So it's like we should really try and start seeing stress as a bus or a car driving by.
Right.
So when it comes into your life, let it go past.
Yeah.
Just see it.
Just see it.
But we don't have to go and get on the bus.
Yeah.
We don't have to go and get absorbed by the stress.
Yeah.
We can just be on the road or be on the pavement. We can imagine the stress passing us by.
Yeah.
And therefore we can just focus on the breath.
Yes. This is the right meaning of witnessing. As